Very exciting. I've got the 6-pack of torch lights. Now, these are meant to look like a flickering flame. So cool. So in the lights yourself, you're going to get 6 of these lights. They're going to come in 3 pieces. You're going to get the top piece, then the extension tube, and then also the stake for the ground. So I'm going to put these in the ground, and then I just simply go and pop these right on top. So we'll take a look at that when it's dark. But before I got started, what I did was I opened the top, and then inside here, you'll see there is a button. And then this goes through off, the flickering mode, or just the still mode. And I'll make sure to set up some of the lights with both flickering and still so you can see the difference. But then that's it. You just press that button, let them get outside. You want to get at least 8 hours of sun on these for them to go. And I've noticed that these do go all night long. They just gradually get dimmer as it gets to morning, but really, really nice quality. And I just love the design. So let's get them in the ground. All right. And here the lights are. Get you close up. We've got the flickering on these ones. And then I have the still on that one. Kind of a soft glow. So very pretty. I love them.